Alright guys, first off I want to start off this video by telling you guys really this market crash itself is unbelievable. I've never seen crypto really go down this hard as it did in the past couple days. Obviously this isn't as red as it was before, but we are still getting very deep red days amongst the top 100 in all cryptocurrencies in general. Now you might notice I didn't do my intro, and that's because I'm going to do it right now. So what's up going on, guys? It's your boy CoinCoverage. We're bringing you a new cryptocurrency video. Yeah guys, so basically I did not upload yesterday. I tried to upload, but my voice just was killing me. I just decided to take the day off, and I tried to stream, but unfortunately that did not go as planned as well. So today I'm going to be talking about probably about 10-minute video about the market crash and why I think it personally happened. Now Bitcoin is actually, I think, just around 10,000 at this point, and I said to look for the 100-day moving average and see where this lands amongst the spectrum. But I don't really think, to be honest with you guys, that when it was holding the 50-day right here, when we saw 50-day as resistance rather than clear support, as we saw back here, once we tested below it, I'm like, be careful, guys. If it stays below the 50-day like it did back here, we could see it go right to the 100-day like it did back in actually September 14th. And unfortunately, it didn't maintain above the 50-day or relatively close to it. So we decided, the market decided to correct all the way down to the 100-day, and it was fine. We found support there for a second, but then now we're falling below the 100-day, which is kind of worrisome. But although I do think if you bought Bitcoin at this price, you'd be buying at a very good price at 10K. However, I'm not completely sure how the market's going to go, but I do think Bitcoin is a decent investment in my opinion at this point. If you're sitting on the sideline, you ever thought you want to get into Bitcoin, but you're kind of scared of all the red, I recommend, I'm not a financial advisor or anything, but in my opinion, I would probably buy in at this point because it is at a very big dip. Now, not to say it couldn't get any lower than this. It'd have to be a pretty big crash for it to get any lower than at 10,000, the big even. We did see it fall below 10,000. But anyways, we haven't really, seen, like, this market crash is just absolutely extraordinary. And I think it's because Bitcoin's run up in the past year. And not only that, but the market cap overall just running up tremendously this year. If we take a look at the 1 year, guys, it's unbelievable how far we've came. So we went all the way from about a $17 million market cap in total of our billion, excuse me, in total of all cryptos in just day last year, all the way to now we're at 453 billion. So that's already a huge increase in market cap for Bitcoin and current cryptocurrencies overall, because we did peak at 813 billion. So we're almost getting a 50% correction at this point. Now, is it justified? Yes. I mean, this cryptocurrency mania, the first one ever, the second altcoin bull run, whatever you guys want to call it, was really insane. I think this will promote long-term growth. I think this allows a lot of people that were on the sidelines that want to get into crypto to really have a good buying opportunity, even though there was still a lot of people getting in while it was big and green. Now that it's red, I do think the smart thing to do was to buy. Don't really panic. I really wouldn't FUD much more than, to the point where you already had crypto in your savings, in your account, and then they're going down, the value is going down. But honestly, in the long term, you will be fine. This is just a short term, little redness, as you can see on the RSI. I'll move my this up for a little bit. We could see that it is almost oversold. As you can see, the middle purple here means it's not oversold or bought, it's normal, and up here means overbought, and then oversold is below the purple. It's a relative strength index. It's an easy TA to do. Anyone can really do it, to be honest with you guys. But anyways, like I was saying, guys, it's really important, to take a step back and really assess the situation from a logical standpoint. People are going to end up taking profits, especially with people being scared about the South Korean regulation that confirmed that was not happening, actually. Not only, but Putin came out from Russia and said that he might put a bill out to start regulating cryptocurrencies sometime in the future. He doesn't know when they start becoming a problem for his country, he believes. So, and not only that, I do think people are scared to invest their money into something that's going to be constantly regulated and disbanded by the governments. But in my opinion, I think we're completely fine. That's the whole point of cryptocurrencies, to fight against central institution, banks, governments. That's the whole point of cryptocurrency. So while this time, might be red, it's a good time to accumulate more cryptocurrency. This is just temporary. I'm assuming in about a week from now, we'll probably be back above the 50 or easily back above the 100-day. I'll tell you that for Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin would rebound, probably one of the hardest out of the main cryptos. I don't think altcoins will really do that well when they rebound, unless unless people really come back on altcoins. But I do think people will see Bitcoin as a good buying opportunity right now. I think people kind of got over exuberant on the alts, and I think now it's time for Bitcoin time to shine. We kind of have these cycles in the market where we see Bitcoin not only take over the dominance and then lower and then take over the dominance once again, like we saw here. I do think we'll probably get a similar situation right here back when around October or November or September, when Bitcoin really took the market by storm. Overall, we'll have to wait and see. No one knows at this point. I'm just guessing. I'm not a financial advisor nor a cryptocurrency genius. I'm just experienced investor in this scenario, and it's not a big deal. This is actually one of the biggest crashes, I would say, in Bitcoin history, probably the second biggest, besides back in I would say, let's see here, back in I would say around 2013 or so. This has probably been the biggest Bitcoin crash since then. So but that's because there's a lot of money in the market. It's a lot more volatile, in my opinion, right now, but than it was before. Just simply because there's so much speculation and there's so much people that will FUD, and some that will FOMO into it. But yeah, I'm a long-term believer in cryptocurrency. This isn't stopping anything. This is just a temporary bleed-out session, I think. So no matter what, this is just, in my opinion, temporary. This is just like on sale. All these cryptos are on sale right now. You finally are getting good. Not gonna lie, guys. All these altcoins are really overvalued beforehand. Most, you could see the ones that are extremely overvalued that are going up multitudes of value. One of them being BitConnect. So BitConnect, guys, down 86%. It was down 90 yesterday. Went from about 300 to about basically $30 overnight, just like that, 90% loss. And I suppose BitConnect actually announced they were disbanding their trading platform. Alongside, they were going to give their funds back to the people in BitConnect tokens, I believe. So I don't know if they're going to give the same equivalent to the original amount of USD they had, or they're just going to give the same amount of BitConnect tokens. That'd be very unfortunate. But to be honest with you guys, I did warn you guys. I made a video on this like 2 days ago. Literally, I don't know why it just happened like 2 or 3 days ago. I thought this thing, not to lie, if you look at my video, I even admitted that this could go on for a while. This could go on. BitConnect could continue to grow, which is an unfortunate thing in my opinion. But then again, I don't want to see people get burnt. But unfortunately, they didn't do their own research. They didn't know. They didn't watch trusted crypto YouTubers. I won't promote stuff like this, aka one of them being me. There's a lot of other YouTubers that knew this was not the right, morally right thing to invest in, and recommend their users to invest in either, or their viewers, whatever. But it's it's time to really like think about and learn from this. Like if you guys ever got burnt from BitConnect, just I would honestly just cut your loss, maybe hold, maybe it'll go higher. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe if they somehow actually come back, I doubt it will. BitConnect X is coming out, but I do not recommend investing in it at all. I absolutely despise BitConnect. But if I were you in this situation, I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I ever claim to be, but I'd probably just wait it out, to be honest with you. I'd probably just wait it out because, this could go to zero tomorrow. It really could, because they don't really have a lending platform anymore. They just have the token, which is basically, deemed useless in terms of overnight's perspective. But anyways, I don't know. I don't know what's happened to YouTubers that can promote this. I don't know if they're going to get arrested or what. I don't know. I have no idea. But there will be some people that are getting punished for this, for sure. I don't want anyone to get punished for it personally. I think this is just a Ponzi scheme, and they are illegal. Unfortunately, those who invested in it lost a lot of money. Those who were at the top of the pyramid probably didn't take as much as a loss. And the reputation more got hurt, I would say. YouTubers, I'm not going to mention their names, but their reputation definitely speaks for itself, as we see BitConnect down 90%. So I don't know. We'll see. I really don't think those YouTubers can recover from this. We'll have to wait and see if they can. But yeah, well, in my opinion, I'm glad I never supported it. I never wanted to, just because I thought this was a morally wrong thing to do. I didn't really believe in BitConnect ever. I thought it was biggest, not really a scam, because they are giving you a product, so they're not scamming you. It was more of like the Ponzi scheme. Like, you're not going to get rich quick. It's just more of just a stupid Ponzi scheme where if you're at the bottom of the pyramid, you're going to get burnt. If you're at the top, you're going to make money. It's simple as that. It's not. I wouldn't really call it a scam just because they're giving you a product that they promised, but I guess it could be a scam now that they exited the market. Unless they give you your money back, I guess it's not. I don't know. I don't really know what to call it. But overall, BitConnect is no good at all. Never supported it once. I actually made a video on it a couple of days ago, and yeah, I warned everybody. But I don't know if you took my advice and pulled your money out or whatever. But yeah, I hope all you guys that support BitConnect realize that there's real cryptocurrencies, real technology behind it that have real passion for decentralizing the world. And I hope you guys, take this as a learning lesson. That's all you gotta do, cryptocurrency in life. Just take everything as a learning lesson, learn from it, and move on. And then you'll most likely avoid the mistake in the future, as long as you process it through your mind and be like, yeah, okay, now I know what to look for when I'm looking for a Ponzi scheme. So yeah, I'm done about BitConnect. It's done. It's over with. I don't think I'll ever be talking about it again. It's gonna be in the graveyard. Unfortunately, I will never be visiting that graveyard for BitConnect. But yeah, let's move on for BitConnect. I'm done talking about it. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I really don't want to go too much longer because I'm still sick. But as you can see, I didn't cough this whole video. When I tried to do my video yesterday, I kept coughing, and it was just annoying. I don't want to think you guys want to hear me coughing in the mic, 24/7. So I am starting to get better, actually. Yeah, and school started for me back again, so I'm class has been pretty hell of a ride right now, but yeah, we'll get through it. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm here to bring you honest, genuine cryptocurrency content. Always, push myself to make, new videos for you guys every day and make sure I bring quality content. Let me know if you guys want continue this, not really like organized content, like where I'm just like completely raw, or do you guys want me to make more structured videos where I'll start editing them? I don't really know. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Let me know what you guys are going to pick up on this cryptocurrency dip. Maybe I'll make a 5 altcoins to buy video tomorrow. I think I probably will, just because there's so many good altcoins you can buy. Maybe I'll put 10 on the list. I don't know. We'll see, guys. So I'll catch you guys till later. Remember, make your own choices, do your own research. That's how you be successful in cryptocurrency. I promise you. Invest in projects you believe in. Simple as that. Don't believe any YouTuber that tells you to buy a coin. I'm kind of being a hypocrite in that opinion, but I'm just telling you what I'm buying. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy CoinCoverage. I'm out, guys. Later.